Hi everybody, it's Lorie from Dee's back with another great kit. This is perfect for summer. Look how fun and bright the colors are, and watermelon, that watermelon hanging in here, how cute is that? And what I like most about this is the shape. The shape's a little different on this one. We are making a long loop swag. So in this kit, this is one of the few that we are going to include the base. So you are going to receive this sheet moss grapevine loop in your kit. These are also available separately online at shopdeeslouisville.com if you'd like to make some other things using this shape. So to get started, we're going to start out with our watermelon. This is a metal watermelon slice. Really cute. I love the colors. And we're just going to take a piece of wire and put that right through that little sawtooth hanger there. And we're going to wire this right on to our loop. Pull that nice and tight to keep that on there. I'm going to trim off my excess there. And I'm going to hook him back up here. So if you want him to be kind of slanted, we're going to connect that to our ribbon in just a little bit. So in this kit is this amazing bush. It is so bright, so colorful, and it has a lot on it. So your bush is going to come as one stem, but as you can see, there are 4 shoots that come off of this bush. So that is perfect. So we are going to just separate those. Now, I'm going to save my big sunflower for down towards the bottom. We've got these other ones, so we're going to use these 2 at the top, and we're going to let this longer stem trail at the bottom. So we're going to start out with this one. And remember, it's so important to make sure you fluff up your flowers and your greenery and bring them to life. And the textures and everything in this bush are just great because you're getting some fern leaf, you're getting some added additional little flowers. And I'm just going to go right up in here and just tuck this stem right into my loop, just like so. And then I'm going to take my other stem and we're going to fluff this up, open these all up. And again, we're going to add this. I'm going to add it over into this side. Just push that right down in there into that grapevine. Okay, next, we're going to take this beautiful stem that has this big sunflower on it. Make sure you fluff it all up. Open that up. And this time, we are just going to go up in here and tuck it right up in underneath that watermelon. And that big flower is actually a nice way to help hold that watermelon up and in place. Open this up, fluff your flowers up. And then I've saved this longer stem piece to trail towards the bottom. So again, just fluff everything up. We have some nice, pretty, beautiful colors on here, nice and bright for summer. And then I'm just going to tuck that right up here so that this can trail down a little bit there. All right, so we have all of our flowers in place. And next we're going to go in and add these beautiful ribbons. So we're going to start out with this adorable black and white check. And it has this bright green back that looks great with the watermelon. So we're just going to go in. I always like to leave a little tail. We're going to twist, pinch and gather, twist, pinch and gather. And then we're going to take our watermelon ribbon. And with our watermelon, you can make 1 or 2 loops. I just did a single loop. I'm going to go this way. Put that watermelon loop there. And then for a pop of color, I added just a little cut of this bright pink, just to make that watermelon pop. So we're going to wire this off. And you're going to have a lot more ribbon still to go to finish off our project. So I wired this off, and we're going to go right in up here, and we're just going to tuck that in right up here. Use your wire to just wire that right on to your loop. And then I'm going to cut off my excess ribbon so I can use that. Okay, you're going to trim off some of this pink, and then you'll use this cut that you have remaining in your bottom bow. We're going to trim our tails here and make this all pretty. Got this watermelon tail here, and we've got this. Okay, so what I did with my 2 remaining tails here is I'm going to run them underneath and behind my watermelon. So I just put that right behind there, and then you can go through and put a little glue behind your watermelon to keep your watermelon at an angle for you. So I'm just going to take a little glue. This would be much easier with a glue gun, but I never seem to have a glue gun plugged in. So I'm just putting a little glue right there on my ribbon, and I'm going to angle my watermelon slightly and just apply that ribbon right to that. And then you can go back in and fluff up your flowers and move things around. So next, we are going to continue on with our bow for the bottom. So I'm just going to pick this up. I'm going to leave a little bit of room there. Twist, pinch and gather. Now you could do this separately if it's easier for you. Just continue going. I do that a lot with my ribbons. I can just continue on, but whichever way you prefer to do it, there is no right or wrong. And then we're going to take this pink swatch and add that right in there to make that ribbon pop. And then we're going to wire off this bow. We'll wire this off nice and tight. And then you can go in and wire your bow right to your swag. So I'm just going to wrap that wire around there. Pull that nice and tight. And then just fluff up your bow. Let those tails hang down. And you can work them into the flowers and then just trim and make those pretty cuts in your streamers. One more little cut here. And there we have it. A beautiful door swag for summer. Quick and easy. Everything you need is in that kit. So check us out at shopdeeslouisville.com. Stay tuned for more great ideas.